Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So there we have the problem on our screen. Differentiate the following: y equal to cos of tan x, right? Again, we see this is of the type f of g of x, right? And folks, whenever you see a function which is of the type f of g of x, in this particular case, my f is cos, right? And my g of x is tan x, right? So simple application of chain rule in differentiation. Let's put out what is the chain rule first. So let y equals f of u be a function of u, and in turn u equals g of x be a function of x, so that y equals f of g of x, right? Then my dy by dx equals f dashed of g of x into g dashed of x, right? So what is my u here? So let us represent y in terms of u, and I will have to pick out, identify my g of x and substitute it with a u, right? And in this, it's quite simple and straightforward. I can directly do the substitution here. My u equals tan x, right? So what is my du by dx? Du by dx is du by dx is nothing but secant square x, right? D by dx of tan x, which is secant square x. And then I go ahead and represent my y in terms of u, which is nothing but a cos of tan x, which is my cos of u. And what is my dy by du? My dy by du is minus of sine u, right? So we have our, let me highlight it, we have our du by dx, we have our dy by du. We've been asked to find what is my dy by dx, right? So let me go to the next line and write out what is my dy by dx. My dy by dx equals dy by du into du by dx, right? So let's represent it that way. Dy by du into du by dx, right? So what is my dy by du? I already have, so let me pick out my color. Let me call it yellow, and my dy by du is already here, which is a minus sine u. So I write it minus sine u. And then what is my du by dx? And let me call it with a green. I've already calculated this above, is a secant square x, which I have out here, right? So there I have the final answer, which is minus sine u into secant square x, right? But I still have this in terms of u and x. So I'll have to go back and make a substitution to express everything as x, right? So minus of, what is my u? My u is tan x. So it is minus of sine of tan x into secant square x. So my final answer to this problem is minus of sine of tan x into secant square x, right? Let's highlight it. So I hope you found this content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.